Thank you for joining us. I'm Chris Deboy with Vetus Maxwell, and today we're on the beautiful new Weaver Boatworks 41 center console. We'll be reviewing the Vetus Bow Pro thruster installation, as well as the Maxwell Tasman windlass installation. We're going to provide in-depth detail on both of these products. Please join us as we spend a beautiful day on the water. So in the bow of the Weaver 41 center console, we have our Vetus Bow Pro 110 thruster installed here. This thruster offers 110 kilograms of force, which is just under 250 pounds of thrust. This is a 24 volt thruster, and it utilizes a 185 millimeter tunnel, which is a little under 8 inches in diameter. This thruster is plenty of power to move the bow of this boat, starboard or to port, and whatever the captain needs in maneuvers. We're in the cabin area of the Weaver 41 center console, and we want to go ahead and show you the Vetus Bow Pro thruster battery bank that's installed here in the forward settee. It's a 24 volt thruster, so we need 24 volts to power the unit. We have two 12 volt AGM batteries here, and they're connected in series to provide us the 24 volts. We also have some smaller wiring here that is used to power the VCAN network for the communication side of our Bow Pro thruster. It is very important that the VCAN network cabling is only connected to 12 volts. So in this installation, we have it connected to one of the 12 volt batteries. It is also important that the battery that is selected to power the VCAN network is the battery that's connected directly to the negative connection on the thruster. Otherwise, the VCAN network may provide errors in the communication. And in this mechanical space, we have the 3 engine batteries as well as the generator and battery charger installed. This wire over here on this engine battery is also connected to the motor controller on the bow thruster. This is one of the unique and patented features of the Vetus Bow Pro thruster. This wire gives us 12 volts into the motor controller, which acts as a DC to DC converter and can take that 12 volts and boost it up to 24 volts, and it allows us to actually charge the thruster battery bank. We can use this feature either by the engines running, or through the generator powering the onboard charger, or by the shore power powering the onboard charger. So we actually have 3 different ways to charge the thruster battery bank. So up here in our forward locker on the Weaver 41, we have the Maxwell Tasman reel winch. As we talked about, this is one of the pieces of equipment that's unique and has been installed. The Maxwell reel winch has a stainless drum that's capable of handling rope and chain, and it uses the Maxwell gearbox and motor setup from other windlasses. These units can be available in 12 and 24 volts, and it makes great for an installation here where you have the space up in the bow and you want the ease of the operation of a reel winch.